Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DocuSign for investor documents signing step by step clearly. To register with DocuSign for investor documents signing, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the DocuSign homepage at www.docusign.com. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the web page. You will be presented with various options for signing up. Select the option that best suits your needs, usually start free trial or get started. Fill in the required fields with your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Review and accept the terms of service by checking the box provided. After completing the form, click the Start Free Trial button. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the DocuSign homepage. Log in using the email address and password you just created. After logging in, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in any additional information required, such as your phone number and company name. Once your profile is complete, navigate to the dashboard. To begin the document signing process, click on the Send an Envelope option. Upload the document you wish to send for signing. Add the recipient's email address and any additional instructions if needed. Position the signature fields and other required tags on the document accordingly. Review the document and settings before sending. Once everything looks correct, click the Send button to forward the document for signing. You will receive notifications as the document is signed and completed. Once all parties have signed, you can download the final document directly from your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more steps.